Exercise 10.2 of chapter Vector Algebra. Now the question of 1 is compute the magnitude of the following vectors. Magnitude of this a vector equal to I plus j plus k, b equal to 2i minus 7j minus 3k, and c equal to 1 by root 3i plus 1 by root 3j minus 1 by root 3k. The magnitude equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. The magnitude of the vector a, I plus j plus k. The magnitude equal to, you can write the vector a equal to this, the magnitude of vector a equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. Here is in a vector x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to 1. 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. It is root 3. It is root 3. And the second vector, the magnitude of b equal to x equal to 2, y equal to minus 7 and z equal to minus 3. 2 square plus minus 7 square plus minus 3 square. 4 plus 49 plus 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 59 is 62. Okay. Under root 62. And the c vector, magnitude of c, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. It means x equal to 1 by root 3 square, y equal to 1 by root 3 square, and plus minus 1 by root 3 whole square. It is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. It is equal to 1. 3 by 3 under root. It is equal to 1. Now question number 2. Write two different vectors having same magnitude. And question number 3 is write two different vectors having सेम डायरेक्शन. एक में मैग्नीट्यूड सेम करना है और दूसरे में डायरेक्शन. सपोज टू वेक्टर्स लेते हैं हम लोग, i प्लस 2z माइनस 3k. इट इज ए सेम वेक्टर. एंड अनदर वन इज 2i प्लस 3j प्लस k. ओके, द डायरेक्शन इज डिफरेंट बिकॉज z component is minus. The direction is different, but the magnitude of, suppose this is a vector and this is b vector. Find the magnitude of both. The magnitude of first is 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, root 14. And magnitude of b vector, 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square. It is also equal to 14. Okay. The magnitude is same but the direction is different due to this minus sign. And question number 3. The same direction with two different vectors having the same direction. Suppose a vector I plus j plus k. All the in the three same direction positive. And b can take 2i plus 2j plus 2k. The direction is same. All are in the same coordinate, plus plus plus. Okay. The direction is same. Now the direction cosines. Check. The direction cosines equal to L equal to 1 upon under root 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Of the first one, it is equal to 1 by root 3. Direction cosines. M equal to under root 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. It is also equal to minus root 1 by root 3. And N equal to 1 upon of the first, direction cosines of the first. for the A vector, and for B vector the direction cosines for B vector L equal to 2 upon 2x upon under root x square plus y square plus z square. It is equal to the 2 upon 2 root 3. It means root 12, it means 2 root 3. It is also equal to 1 by root 3. The direction cosines are same. For m, y 2, it is y upon under root x square plus y square plus z square. This will also equal to 1 by root 3, and n equal to 2 upon x is 2, y is also 2, and z is also 2. The same formula 1 by root 3. The A and B has the same direction. The magnitude is different, but the direction is same because the direction cosines are same. Question number 4. Find the values of x and y so that the vector 2i plus 3j and xi and yj are equal. While for what values of x and y? ये दो वेक्टर 2i प्लस 3j एंड xi प्लस yj ये दोनों कब इक्वल हो सकते हैं? जब इनके करस्पॉन्डिंग कंपोनेंट्स इक्वल हो. देयरफॉर x इक्वल टू 2 एंड y इक्वल टू 3. ये जब भी इक्वल हो सकते हैं जब इनके करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स इक्वल हो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. फाइंड द स्केलर एंड वेक्टर कंपोनेंट ऑफ ए वेक्टर विद इनिशियल पॉइंट 2 1 एंड द टर्मिनल पॉइंट -5 7. यानी इनिशियल 2 1 and terminal -5 7. Question number 5. The initial point, suppose initial point is P 2 1 and the final point Q -5 7. The vector is equal to the PQ. The PQ vector equal to -5 -2 r x2 minus x1 I. This is the I component, and next 7 minus 1 j component. Okay. Now the vector is -7i plus 6j. Okay. Now the scalar. Find the scalar component. The scalar components are scalar components -7 and 6, and vector component, vector components are -7i, it means with direction 6j. These are the vector components -7i 6j. Okay, and scalar is this. Now question number 6. Question number 6 कह रहा है find the sum of the vectors a b and c. These are the 3 vectors and find the sum. तो सम में क्या होता है कि x कंपोनेंट x के साथ ऐड होगा, y y के साथ और z z के साथ, यानी i एक साथ, j एक साथ एंड k एक साथ. ये 3 वेक्टर हैं a b एंड c. अब हमको इनका सम करना है. फाइंड द सम a वेक्टर प्लस b वेक्टर प्लस c वेक्टर. नाउ 1 -2 plus 1i. see 1 -2 plus 1i. Next j -2 plus 4 minus 6j. And the k component 1 plus 5 minus 7k. Okay. So now 0. I is 0. 1 2 minus 2 0 I vector. And this one is -8 plus 4 minus 4j. And k 6 minus 7 minus k. So we can write the answer in the form of 4j minus k. This is the sum of these 3 vectors. Next question 7. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector a I plus j plus 2k. Find the unit vector. Okay. Find the unit vector. Unit vector means This is the unit vector equal to A vector divided by the magnitude of vector A. A vector divided by the magnitude. Okay. The magnitude of A vector equal to under root 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square x square plus y square plus z square. It is equal to the 4, 5, 6 root 6. Then the unit vector equal to I plus j plus 2k. Write here direction divided by root 6. Okay, so we can write 1 by root 6 I, 1 by root 6 j, and 2 upon root 6 k. This is the unit vector of A. Okay, next question 8. 8 is find the unit vector in the direction of vector PQ, where P and Q are in the given points 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 respectively. Okay. PQ vector. The coordinates of P 1, 2, 3 and Q 4, 5, 6. Now find PQ vector. It is equal to x2 minus x1 I, y2 minus y1 j, and 6 minus 3 k, z2 minus z1. The PQ vector equal to 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Okay. Now find the magnitude of PQ. Then we find unit vector. The magnitude of this is 3x square plus y square plus z square. It means 3 square plus 3 square. It is equal to the root 27. So we can write root 27 equal to 3 root 3. Okay. Now unit vector PQ unit vector equal to, you can write here, unit vector of PQ equal to PQ vector divided by PQ vector divided by the magnitude of PQ. Same. The vector is 3i plus 3j plus 3k. And the magnitude is 3 root 3. Now divide each component by 3 root 3. So we get 1 upon root 3i, 1 upon root 3j, and 1 upon root 3k. These are the unit vector. Next, question number 9. For given vector A, B and B, find the unit vector in the direction of vector A plus B. A वेक्टर दिया है, B दिया है. A है 2i माइनस जे प्लस 2k और B है माइनस आई प्लस जे माइनस के. तो पहले हमको क्या पता करना है, A प्लस B और देन फाइंड यूनिट वेक्टर. दिस इज द A वेक्टर एंड B वेक्टर. नाउ फाइंड द सम ऑफ दीज टू वेक्टर A प्लस B. It is equal to 2 minus 1 I, 2 minus 1, and j minus 1 plus 1 j, and 2 minus 1 k. This is the sum of these two vectors. It is equal to the I is 0 and this one is k. I plus k. Now find the magnitude. The magnitude of this is 1 square plus 1 square. 1 root 2. Okay. Now unit vector in the direction of A plus B. Direction of vector A plus B. It is equal to the vector A plus B and divided by the magnitude of A plus B. It is equal to the I plus k divided by root 2. Then the vector is 1 by root 2i plus 1 by root 2k. Question number 10. Question number 10 is find a vector in the direction of vector 5i minus j plus 2k which has magnitude 8 units. Okay. Find a vector in the direction of this. Okay. This is a vector A 5i minus j plus 2k. First we have find the unit vector of this. The magnitude of A vector equal to 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square. It is a 25, 26 and 4, 30. It is equal to root 30. The A vector, unit vector of A equal to unit vector of A vector equal to 5i minus j plus 2k divided by root 30. This is the unit vector of A. Okay. Now vector in the direction of 5i minus j plus 2k, whereas the magnitude is 8. So therefore we have to multiply 8 in this vector. So it means 8 into 5i minus j plus 2k root 30. Okay. Now multiply 40 by root 30. 8 5 is 40 by root 30. I minus 8j by root 30 and plus 16k by root 30. 16 by root 30k, 8 by root 30j. This is a vector in the direction of 5i minus j plus 2k. Question number 11. Show that the vector 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. Okay. We have to prove that in question number 11 there are two vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. Suppose this is a vector A and this vector equal to B. Okay. तो कोलिनियरिटी होने के लिए हमारे पास 3 फैक्ट हैं. कोलिनियर वेक्टर्स होते क्या हैं? या तो वो एक सेम लाइन पर लाई करेंगे या फिर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर रहेंगे. और दूसरा क्या होता है कि कंपोनेंट ऑफ द वन ऑफ द वेक्टर, कंपोनेंट ऑफ द वन ऑफ द कोलिनियर वेक्टर, इन दोनों में से किसी का भी कंपोनेंट और दूसरे के किसी मल्टीपल वेक्टर के बराबर हो तो भी पॉइंट ये लाइन दोनों वेक्टर क्या होते हैं? कोलिनियर. और तीसरा होता है क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द कोलिनियर वेक्टर इज 0. तो यहां पर हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि बी वेक्टर इक्वल टू माइनस 4i प्लस 6j माइनस 8k. इफ वी टेक माइनस 2 कॉमन it is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k. If we take minus 2 common, it means we can write minus 2 into a vector. We can write, therefore the vector b is equal to multiple of the a vector. B vector, it means the component of the one of the vector is equal to the multiple of the another vector. यानी b वेक्टर जो है वो a वेक्टर के कुछ मल्टीपल के बराबर है, जहां पर कि आपका जो वेक्टर है मल्टीपल क्या है? -2. Therefore we can say that the given vectors are collinear. We can say that if this condition is equal, therefore we can say that these vectors are collinear. 3 कंडीशन होती हैं. ठीक है. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट अभी आगे पढ़ेंगे. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट अगर इन दोनों का 0 आ जाएगा तो भी आपस में क्या होंगे? कोलिनियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है फाइंड द डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस ऑफ द वेक्टर i प्लस 2j प्लस 3k. डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस वेरी इजी. x अपॉन अंडर रूट मैग्नीट्यूड, y अपॉन एंड z अपॉन. ओके. i प्लस 2j प्लस 3k. सपोज इट इज अ वेक्टर p. ओके. नाउ द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ p वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. It is equal to the root 14. Now the direction cosines LMN. L equal to 1 upon root 14. M equal to 2 upon root 14 and N equal to 3 upon root 14. तो डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस क्या हो गए? 1 by root 14, 2 upon root 14 and 3 upon root 14. Okay, the component x, y, z divided by the magnitude. Question number 13. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the point 1, 2, minus 3 and the minus 1, minus 2, 1 directed from A to B. Okay, A to B. These are the points A and B. The AB vector from A to B. Now AB vector equal to minus 1 minus 1 x2 minus x1 I plus minus 2 minus 2 j and 1 plus 3 minus minus 3 plus 3. The vector equal to minus 2i minus 4j plus 4k. Okay, now the magnitude of this vector under root minus 2 square plus minus 4 square plus 4 square. It is equal to the 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 4 36. It is equal to the 6. Now the direction cosines are direction cosines. First minus 2 by 6, second minus 4 by 6 and third 4 by 6. Minus 2 by 6, minus 4 by 6, 4 by 6. So we can write minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and plus 2 by 3. These are the direction cosines of the vector AB. Question number 14. Show that the vector I plus j plus k is equally inclined to the axis OX, OY and OZ. It means inclined each other means the direction cosines are same. Okay. The A is the vector I plus j plus k. Magnitude 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, it is equal to root 3 and therefore direction cosines are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3. Let alpha, beta, gamma, these are the three angles with vector A. Alpha, beta and gamma with the angles vector A. So now cos alpha equal to 1 by root 3, cos beta 1 by root 3 and cos gamma equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, the given vector is equally inclined to the axis OX, OY and OZ. All the three angles are equal, therefore equally inclined to with the axis OX, OY and OZ. Question number 15. Find the position vector of a point R which divides the line joining 2 points P and Q, whose position vectors are I plus 2j minus k and minus I plus j plus k respectively in the ratio 2:1, internally and externally. Just we have to find the formula like this: mb plus na upon m plus n internally and externally mb minus na upon m minus n. Okay. Let the two vectors I plus 2j plus k, suppose this is a OP vector and this one is OQ vector. Okay, from point O and Q, the R point divides in the ratio 2:1. Okay, first we have to find the internally. Okay, for internally the formula is m b vector plus n a vector upon m plus n. Okay, now the point for OR vector. R is the point where this m is 2 and the b vector is minus I plus j plus k plus n means 1, ratio is 1 and the vector is I plus 2j minus k. divided by 2 plus 1. Now solve. It is equal to minus 2i vector plus 2j vector plus 2k plus I plus 2j minus k by 3. तो minus 2i plus I, it means minus I vector. 2i plus 2j plus 2j 4j plus k by 3. This is the vectors. You can write minus 1 upon 3i plus 4 by 3j plus 1 by 3k. Okay. Now the externally the same, only formula changed. Externally the formula equal to m b vector minus n a vector divided by m minus n. Okay. The same, the OR vector equal to 2 times minus I plus j plus k, okay, minus 1 into I plus 2j minus k divided by 2 minus 1, it is equal to 1. Now solve. Minus 2i vector plus 2j vector plus 2k multiplied by 2, and now minus, multiplied by minus means sign change, by 1. No need to write 1. It is minus 3i, 2j 0, and it is 3k. 3i minus 3i plus 3k. This is the externally and this one is internally. Okay. Question number 16. Find the position vector of the midpoint of the vector p2, 3, 4 and q point 4, 1, minus 2. Find the midpoint. Okay. Simple question. p equal to 2, 3, 4. Yani it means p vector equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k, and OQ vector 4i plus j minus 2k. Now the midpoint. Midpoint means OP plus OQ divided by 2. Add these two vectors and divided by 2. A plus 4i plus j minus 2k. Add these two vectors and divided by 2. It means 2i plus 4i, 3j plus j, and 4k minus 2k, and divided by 2. It is 6i plus 4j plus 2k divided by 2. It means 3i, 2j plus k. This is the mid vector. Okay, the position of the midpoint of the vector 3i plus 2j plus k. Okay. Question number 17. Show that the points A, B and C are the position vectors of A vector is 3i minus 4j minus 4k, B equal to 2i minus j plus k, and C vector equal to I minus 3j minus 5k. Respectively form the vertices of a right angle triangle. Okay. Suppose these are the three vectors. The position vectors of the point A is this, B and C. Position vector of A, B and C. This is a position vector of A, B and C. Now find the vectors of the length. Therefore AB vector equal to B minus A. B minus A. Now subtract 2i minus 3i. 2i minus 3i. Next minus j minus 4j means plus 4j. K plus 4k. It means B minus A. The answer is minus I plus 3j plus 5k. This is the vector of line AB. Okay, minus I plus 3j plus 5k. Okay, now BC side. Side BC equal to, it means C vector minus B vector. C minus B. 1 minus 2i plus minus 3 plus 1 ij. And next minus 5 plus 1 minus 1. Sorry, subtract minus 1. Okay. It is equal to minus I minus 2j minus 6k. Okay. Now the vector BC equal to this. Now the third vector AC. CA. Sorry. CA vector, it means the C minus CA means A minus C. A vector minus C vector. Okay. So A minus C 3 minus 1i plus minus 4 plus 3 j. Just simple subtraction, minus 4 plus 5 k. It is equal to 2i minus j plus k. 2i minus j plus k. Okay. Now these are the sides of a right triangle, it means the sum of the squares of two sides equal to the square of third side. The first, the value of vector AB, square of this. AB is minus 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. It is equal to the 25 plus 9, 34, it is 35. Now BC, square of the vector BC. BC is minus 1 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 6 square. It is equal to the 36 for 41. Next CA square. 2 square plus minus 1 square and 1 square. These are the 2 square minus 1 square, 1 square. Values of this. It is equal to the 6. Okay. So hence AB square plus CA square. AB square plus CA square, 35 plus 6. 35 plus 6. It is equal to the 41. We can say it is a square of BC. Therefore, the given points form the vertices of right angle triangle, because the sum of the squares of two sides equal to the square of the third side. Question number 18. Question number 18. In triangle ABC, which of the following is not true? These are the AB plus BC and this is the AC vector. AB plus BC plus CN in which is not true. Okay. In the figure, there is a line AB and BC and it is AC. In this figure, given that AB vector plus BC vector equal to AC vector. Okay. So we can say that AB plus BC minus AC vector equal to 0. It means B, this is B is true. And first AB plus BC equal to minus CA. We can write AC vector in the minus CA. Now AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0. Therefore A is true. यानी A भी ट्रू है और B भी ट्रू है. नेक्स्ट AB प्लस BC माइनस CA equal to 0. And the fourth one, it is D. AB, in the D is given that AB minus CB plus CA equal to 0 in the D. This is the in the D option. Check. AB plus BC plus CA equal to 0. So we can write BC equal to minus CB. So these are the two equivalent. Therefore D is true. Now C. The C option is AB plus BC minus CA equal to 0. This is the option C. But we know that AB plus BC equal to AC. AB plus BC equal to AC. Or the equal to minus CA. Okay. So just put AB plus BC equal to minus CA vector and minus CA equal to 0. Minus 2 times CA vector equal to 0. It means CA vector equal to 0. It is not possible. Therefore C is false. C is not true or the false. Okay. The question number 19. If A, B are two collinear vectors, then which are the following are incorrect? Okay. Two collinear. B equal to lambda A for some scalar. It is true. A equal to plus minus B vector. If lambda equal to plus minus 1, then it is possible vector A equal to B. ये भी ट्रू है. The respective components of A and B are proportional. ये भी ट्रू है क्योंकि दोनों क्या है, दोनों में A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2 if A equal to constant lambda. ये भी ट्रू है. Both vector A and B have same direction but different magnitude. No, the A and B can have different directions. Okay, it means D option is false. D is not true. Okay.